In our fast-paced world, it's easy to sacrifice sleep in the name of productivity. But let's pause for a moment and think, is this trade-off really worth it? The truth is, sleep is a non-negotiable investment in your health and happiness. Maintain a 2 to 3 hour gap between sleep and meals. This small change can make a significant difference, allowing your body ample time to digest, ensuring you rest well. Give your body the time it needs to process food before heading to bed. Keep digital devices at least 2 to 3 feet away from your body before sleep. Minimizing screen time before bed is crucial for better sleep. The blue light emitted by screens can disrupt your sleep cycle. Get natural sunlight within 90 minutes of waking up to activate your circadian cycle. This habit is like a wake-up call for your body, stimulating the production of serotonin, the hormone that boosts mood and helps you feel calm and focused. As the day progresses, this serotonin converts into melatonin, the sleep hormone, ensuring a good night's rest. So remember, sunlight is not just about vitamin D. It's a regulator for your body's internal clock. Maintain regular sleep hours for enhanced energy levels. A rejuvenating morning is achieved not only through the duration of your sleep, but also by maintaining a consistent sleep routine. An erratic sleep pattern can throw off your biological clock, leading to fatigue and mood swings. On the other hand, a consistent sleep schedule aligns with your body's circadian rhythm. Yoga Nidra positively impacts sleep quality. A meditative practice, Yoga Nidra guides you into a state of deep relaxation. It helps reduce stress, promoting better sleep patterns. Create a conducive sleep environment and establish a bedtime routine. It's not just about the quantity of sleep, but the quality too. A calm, quiet, and dark room can help signal your brain that it's time to rest. And a bedtime routine? Well, it's like setting an alarm, but in reverse. It prepares your body and mind for sleep by creating a consistent pattern. This could be anything from reading a book to practicing deep breathing. Prioritize your sleep and you'll experience better health and happiness.